So this is Desmos. Okay, brilliant for drawing graphs. So I'm going to go to my left and I'll click on table. And I remember you don't have to, you can flick backwards and forwards, but in that table it started from 0 and went up to 1,000. So I'm just going to go 0, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. I'm just going to flip back. And my second column was 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.5, 10, 10, well, something like that, 10, 10. Now, I've filled them up and the graph is done. And you look at it thinking, how's the graph done? Well, the graph is done, but if you remember from last week, the axes are all wrong. So if I zoom out, you can see the dots are there. But, oh, that's terrible. I can't see anything. So what we do next is we go onto this spanner icon there. Okay, how confusing it looks. I don't care about these numbery things or anything. I don't care. That's on my x-axis. And over here on my left, this is my x values. So I've got 0, 100, 200, and it goes all the way to 1,000. So you start from the smallest, 0, you put that there. 0, you go to the biggest, 1,000. Okay. Then we look at the y-axis. See, I've just clicked off of it. It's made it so I can see all the dots, but it's too high. So I click on there and I go, right, I'm starting on the y-axis from 0 and my biggest number is 10. So I'll go 0. My biggest number is 10. Oopsie daisy, did I miss something? Oh, I put a 7 there. That's just terrible. 0, and biggest number 10. And there you go. Look, you can see my graph. It's now jammed up. So I'm just going to pinch it and move out. There we go. And I've got a beautiful graph. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to long press that green palette. I like purple. You go for whatever you want. I like crosses. It's up to you. I'm just going to hit line. I've got this lovely graph done. The next thing I want to do, I'm just going to come off there so we can still see that. I want to put the label to the X and Y axis. So I go back to my spanner and it's got there, it says label EGX. Well, I'm just going to nosy back on, and you can't see me nosy back on. So I've got light intensity against rate of photosynthesis. So my x-axis is light intensity. So I'll just put here light. You can see it at the bottom here, turning up light. Light intensity. My fat fingers. Intensity. Light intensity. And the units are AU, arbitrary units. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. I will tell you about that as we progress. It's just a way of making life easy. All right. We could use lumens. And we just said, do you know what? We're just going to use arbitrary units. On the left-hand side, it was on the left-hand side. On the y-axis, it was rate. You can see popping up rate of photosynthesis. Okay. And that also was arbitrary units, AU. Okay. And that's it. There's my graph. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot of all of it. And that's it.